and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today, we're actually on the apology tour to all the sweet people who work to make a great product we just picked up called Mod Podge. I recently did a video where obviously it was over-caffeinated and barely awake, and messed up the name, I don't know, a dozen times. So today we're going to do a reboot, y'all, and talk a little bit about Mod Podge. It's intended to be like a collage glue. Feel free to watch the other video. There's useful information in there, but we've also had a couple of subsequent questions from viewers and some of the technical parts about the product. One, to answer one question, yes, of course, it can be layered. That's kind of like a have-to characteristics with a collage material like this, and also that it is yellowing. Yeah, but part of the artosphere in many discussion boards that I've read about the product, that the yellowing is very, very minimal and it's over a very long period of time. So yeah, in a professional context, this is not necessarily the thing to use in that. This is almost kind of like a crafter's crossover kind of product. So if the archival yellowing part of it is an issue for you, you should probably look at like gel varnish or something like that. Also, is it waterproof? No, not entirely. So if you're looking to do something like a coaster or some kind of thing that might be exposed to moisture in your kitchen, this probably isn't your go-to for that. But today I wanted to do like a little demo. I actually did a video about spicing up your sketchbook and kind of personalizing it. And I did use Mod Podge for that project. That is right here. And I want to do something similar today because we also will be talking about micro journaling. And so I've got myself a really, really nice journal here that we'll be talking about. But I was gonna like doll it up a little bit for myself with some Mod Podge and thought you guys might want to see exactly how that works and what I do. So have a look. hope you got a little bit out of that little Mod Podge redo. I like to kind of decorate up my sketchbooks and stuff. Keeps people from stealing them in my house. So check into Mod Podge. It's a lot of fun. You can create all kinds of cool stuff, and we hope that you enjoy.